Okay, let's go ahead and finish this problem out. Now, I went through this part pretty quickly, so I'm going to back up to my graph here. I want you to notice that whenever I'm working these, I always draw out a picture as we go. And by doing that, then, if I would just make a quick sketch of that, when we found that minimum value that was negative 2.71 comma negative 14.73, and then this maximum value, when we found that, that was 1.54 comma 0.58. Then when it comes to, if you jot that down, then when it comes to answering these questions, then you've got all of your information right here. So our local maxima is at here's our maximum. The y value is 0.58. The x value is 1.54. We can just fill it in. The minimum is, here's our minimum. We had a y value of negative 14.73 and an x value of negative 2.71. This is the key. You've got to make notes of everything as we go. Then the next part of the problem asks, where is the graph increasing and where is it decreasing? Well, once we have these, especially if it's written down, then we can see what's going on. Now remember, this is negative 6 on the left hand side because we got that from this information here, and we're going to 4 on the right hand side. So if we look at this sort of as areas here, we can see that the graph is decreasing from the negative 6 all the way over here to this minimum, which was negative 2.71 as an x value. So we know now we're decreasing from negative 6 to negative 2.71. Then we turn around and we increase from negative 2.71 to 1.54. Then we turn around and we decrease all the way over to 4. So now it's a matter of just answering their question. You've got to make sure and write all this out every time so you can refer back to it. Okay, so let's see what we can remember. We're increasing from this negative 2.71 all the way to 1.54. So now I just have to find that in my answer choices, which is here. And now then, where is the graph decreasing? Well, remember, looking back up at the graph, it was decreasing from negative 6 all the way over to here, which was negative 2.71. And then again, it started at 1.54 all the way over to 4. So now we just find those answer choices. And negative 6 to negative 2.71 and 1.54 over to 4. There we go. So I cannot stress enough how important it is to make a note, just jot down on your paper a quick sketch of the graph, and make sure that you label that minimum and maximum points so that you can just answer your questions.